Hi, how are you all doing? So this video is going to be all about how to use the Skin EssentiA Christmas box. So for those of you that have purchased the Skin EssentiA Christmas box, you probably will be quite familiar with how to use most of the products, but there might be a couple of things in there that are new to you, or maybe you just want a little bit of a recap how to get the best out of the products that are in there. So we'll go through it sort of step by step in order of which product to use first, and how much of each product, because I think sometimes you could be using too much or too little of a product to get the best from it. And then if you've got any questions, just let me know, and of course I'm always happy to help you. That's what I'm there for. So the first product you either gonna have chosen, let me just get the other one as well. So you will either have chosen the low foam cleansing gel. So you probably will have chosen this one if you prefer wash or cleanser if your skin's maybe slightly combination, slightly on the oily side, but not sort of genetically particularly oily. But I wouldn't go for this if your skin is really dry, or if you find that your skin changes this time of year and goes slightly dry, then I would go for the mild cleansing lotion. Both of them, you want about 2 pumps of your cleanser, and ideally I would use it morning and evening. In a morning, just 1 to 2 pumps is enough. Wash off with water for both of them. Ideally use some sort of muslin cloth, or our favourite thing to use of course is the cleanse off mitt, and then you can go on with your products. And then in an evening, use either the cleanse off mitt as a pre-cleanser, or ideally the pre-cleansing oil if you've been wearing SPF, which hopefully all of you will have been, or if you've been wearing makeup, you want to do a double cleanse. So first of all, remove all of the makeup or the SPF from your skin with your cleanse off mitt or your pre-cleanser, and then go on 2 pumps of your low foam cleansing gel or your mild cleansing lotion, and wash off with water. When you're applying it, make sure that you're massaging it into your skin. Don't just literally apply it and then rinse it off, because it won't do its job effectively. You want to massage it into the skin. I might even show you upload a video of me doing it myself. Massage it into the skin, and then 30 to 60 seconds, which is quite a long time when you time it, and then rinse off with water. Then you're going to go in with your second step, which will be your moisturising toner. So you can use this in 2 ways. Probably the preferred way for most of you will be to apply it to cotton pads and wipe over the skin. You can mix it with your actives if you prefer. So in here you've got your lactic acid, which is going to help to nourish the skin, but also help to give a mildly exfoliating action, which will in turn then also help with the absorption of your active ingredients. So once you've done this step, and again ideally morning and evening, particularly evening I think is the most important, but once you've done this step, you're then ready for your actives. So it might be that you're on AVST 2 or above and you're using your cosmetic roll kit or cosmetic gold roller, which if you're going to do that, this would be then the time to do that for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we're ready. So the next product that's going to go on is your Vita-Peptide eye gel. So you need just 1 pump of this, pop it onto your fingers, just make sure you evenly distribute it on your fingers, and then you're going to pat it into the eye area, and you can go right up to the lash line, right over the lid, right over the brow bone, and I particularly like to take it into the furrows and over. And it's got an ingredient called arginine, which helps to relax the muscles. So if you're particularly concerned with these areas, then definitely take it over that area. 1 pump will do both eyes, and then give it a few seconds to dry in if you can, and then you're going to go on with your serums. So you can mix these with some of your products, but I'll talk through them individually so that you know your sort of option of how to use it. So C-Boost, if this is new to you, this is an amazing transitional product for when you're going from summer to autumn, winter, and the season's going colder. Brilliant in summer as well, but we're sort of not there now, we're in autumn going into winter. So this product you want about a pea size, and I would say that this is a product that people use too much of, so just a pea size, and you're going to mix this with your AVST moisturiser. So you would put your 2 pumps of your moisturiser, and you'd put a pea size of this into your hand. If you'd rather layer, absolutely fine, not going to make a difference whichever way you do it, still a pea size. and you're going to apply this all over your face. Again, you can take it over your eye, take it down onto your neck, take it down onto your chest area. This is a vitamin C enriched serum that's going to help to counteract any problems with colour and collagen. So if you've got any redness in the skin, if you've got any pigmentation in the skin, if your skin is slightly drying at this time of year, if your skin is losing its sort of laxity and you're wanting to firm and tighten the skin, this will give the collagen a little boost to help firm and tighten and plump the skin. So really good product at this time of year. Less is more. A pea size is maximum that's needed. And then your other two products that you have as your add-on serums, you've got Elixir, which is our ultimate anti-aging serum, or pro-aging we prefer to say. So in here you've got a complex of peptides, which are the building blocks for collagen production. So you want about 2 pumps of this in with your moisturiser, or again you can layer. So this is lighter than Sea Boost, so if you're going to layer, I would put this on first. You can use it morning and evening, or some people prefer just to use some of the richer serums in the evening. Absolutely fine, whichever you prefer. I think if you're wanting to use one of each in the morning and evening, like alternating it, I would do Sea Boost probably more morning time, because vitamin C gives you a bit of an extra photoprotective, like light boost, and I would go for the Elixir in the evening when you can do sort of your collagen repair. And then your other add-on serum is Super Moisturiser, which is like an add-on moisturiser. So there's a couple of ways in which you can use this. If you're finding that your skin is slightly sensitised, or maybe you're stepping up with your vitamin A and it's feeling a little bit drier, you can put a little bit of this on underneath your vitamin A, and it will just slow the absorption of your vitamin A into the skin. Or if your skin is just feeling a little bit tighter, a little bit drier, you can pop this over the top of your vitamin A moisturiser. So depends on how your skin feels, so either under or over. We prefer not to cocktail this and mix it with your AVST. So that's the 2 main ways, and it's really good for almost acting like an extra layer of moisture on the skin, so good for any barrier function. So if your therapist or you've had a consultation and we've said that your barrier is slightly impaired, then this is a really, really good product. So anything really where the skin is starved of moisture, this and Skin Omegas together are brilliant. Then you're going to go on with, I'm sure you all know how to use, but if you're new to Environ and you've not started using it yet, you've got then your Skin EssentiA AVST 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, depending what level you're on. And this you're going to use 2 to 3 pumps. You're going to apply it over the full face, neck, chest area. You're going to do that morning and evening. Of course, in the morning you're going to follow on with your SPF. So that will be your vitamin A treatment for the skin, depending what level you're on. And that is everything in that kit, and sort of how to use it and how much product to use. If you've got any questions about any of the products that are in the kit, do get in touch. That's what I'm here for, to give you the guidance with your skin. But hopefully you'll enjoy some of maybe the new products to your skin, and you'll start to see the real difference. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.